This is the start of vlog 4 of the Weight Loss Impossible journey. It's been a journey full of highs and lows, ups and downs, whatever you want to call it. It's not an easy journey. Not everybody can do it. But depending on how hard you work, you can do it as well. Link will be in the description for the program I'm using, and I highly recommend them. But I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, for the first max of this week, we're going to be doing the impossible pull-up. This is not going to be pretty. It's not going to be a long clip because I don't have the upper body strength to go slow. So it's going to probably be pretty quick, but I'm going to try my best. You always got to start somewhere, and don't let your beginnings stop you from achieving where you're wanting to get with your goals in life, whether it's working out, the job you want, where you are on your YouTube journey. Whatever your goal is, go for it, and don't let anything stop you. Your preconceived notions about yourself, or any person that's speaking life into you, or they're just speaking negativity. Don't let them affect you. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, now we're changed. Let's get the impossible pull-up started. We'll try this without a band, and then I'm going to come back and try it with the band, see if there's, depending on how my first attempt goes. Alright. Okay, yep. I'll be right back. Alright, for being the impossible pull-up, I went with this smaller band, see how if that gives it more of a challenge. So, all right. Oh, that was quick. As we get going through this process, upper body's never been my strong suit, but you know what? I'm gonna make it and work at it and improve it and keep on going until I reach my goals. Like I said before, don't let your beginnings deter you from reaching your end game goal in anything you do in life. All right, for today's cooking segment, we're going to be going a little old school, and we're going to be using cast iron skillet. It's not just something you get whacked in the back of the head with. You also use it for cooking, and it's great for cooking your steaks in the house instead of going out to the grill and going out to a steakhouse. Those places get expensive. But we're going to be cooking with this today, and we'll get as close as we can to restaurant quality. Got all the ingredients ready, and here we go. All right, but please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn those post notifications on right down below. I believe it's going to be about in this corner, or if the camera flips it, this corner. But it really would mean the world to me. Remember, anything is possible when you attempt the impossible. First, we're going to just pat the steaks dry. And first step is going to be to pat the steaks dry. Then we're going to coat the steaks liberally with salt and pepper. You can use kosher salt or table salt. Either or both are good, but I prefer kosher salt, but I don't have any right now, so I gotta improvise, you know? Next, we are going to heat a cast iron skillet or a heavy skillet. Recipe will be down in the description below, so y'all can try this at home. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of pure canola oil, or you can use olive oil depending on what you have in your pantry. No, you will notice a change in pans because yeah, I burnt the oil, and I'm gonna clean that up later, no, the house didn't burn down, so that's a good thing. But we're gonna take 2 with the non-stick skillet, and we're gonna go from there. Alright, next we're going to put the steak in the heated pan at medium on each side for about 3 minutes to get a crust to form. And we'll flip, and then we'll try to get the side of the steak as well. Try to get a nice little crust on it. And we'll go from there. Next after we'll flip it, and it's been about 3 minutes on each side, which is almost there. We're going to add our butter, about 2 tablespoons. And we're going to add 2 cloves of garlic. I use the pre-cut because I always run out of time and it takes forever for me. Haven't figured the trick. 3 sprigs of thyme, or one I have to double check the recipe, and 1 sprig of the rosemary. Then once the butter's melted, we're going to baste the steak with the butter. And we'll go from there. And then, voila! Steak is ready to serve. Alright, here we go with the first bite. Melts like just like butter. Now I swear, I could have used a little more salt on there, but it's my first time trying it this way, so I consider it a good attempt. It tastes really good. It's got just that, it just dissolves in your mouth. It tastes so good, and it's cooked so well, and it's something I'm definitely going to continue doing in the future. But this time, learn from my mistakes and improve and grow next time. And there we go. All right, here we go. Bam! I just lost 1.8 pounds last week. Let's go. It's a good start. Crazy. I started at 255.6 and now I'm at 250.2. That's 5.4 pounds lost total. Insane. But I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, thank you to everybody that's watched so far to this point in the video. We are just hit over 100 subs on YouTube, which is an amazing milestone since I'm just starting out. Thank you to everybody for the support. Thank you for all the wonderful people that have viewed my videos. But I just want to remind you that to stay awesome, stay amazing. Remember, you are a champion and victory is coming. But also, remember, anything is possible when you attempt the impossible. Alright, I'll see you next vlog. Bye!